Every 30 seconds, somewhere in the world, a mosquito kills someone. Not a shark, not a snake, not a lion. A mosquito. That tiny buzzing insect that ruins your evenings and wrecks your sleep is officially the deadliest animal on the planet. And it's not just annoying. Mosquitoes spread malaria, dengue fever, Zika, West Nile virus. Even here in the UK and across Europe, mosquito-borne illness is climbing every single year. So, why haven't you solved this problem yet? Because everything you've tried so far was designed to fail. Citronella candles smell nice and do almost nothing. Chemical sprays keep mosquitoes away for an hour, and you're breathing that stuff in right along with your kids. Electric zappers click all night long and kill maybe 3 mosquitoes while 100 more slip past them. These products don't fix the problem. They just distract you from it. Here's the truth. Nobody's telling you. Mosquitoes aren't attracted to your smell, your soap, or your blood type. They're attracted to carbon dioxide, the exact gas you exhale every time you breathe. That's how they find you in the dark, from 30 feet away. And that single fact is the key to trapping every single one of them using nothing but stuff sitting in your kitchen right now. Let me show you exactly how to build it. Step 1. Grab a bucket and pour in 1 quart of warm water. Warm, not hot. You want it warm enough to wake up the yeast fast, not kill it. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to mix it in. Within a few minutes, you'll start to see bubbles forming on the surface. That's not just foam, that's carbon dioxide being released. That's your mosquito magnet switching on right there in your kitchen. Step 3, and this is the part most people get wrong. Once the mixture is actively bubbling, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. But don't stir it in, let it float on top. Here's why that matters. The soap breaks the surface tension of the water. To you, that sounds like nothing. To a mosquito, it's a death sentence. The second it lands on that water to drink or lay eggs, it sinks straight through. No struggle, no escape. It's not a chemical, it's not a poison, it's just physics, and physics doesn't miss. Step 4, set your trap. Place the bucket inside a cardboard box with a hole cut into the side. Big enough for a mosquito to fly in, small enough to block the wind. No box handy, just leave the lid cracked open. Now position it where mosquitoes actually gather, near standing water in shaded corners of your garden, or right by the doorways they use to sneak inside. That's it. 5 minutes of effort, ingredients you already own, and a trap that's about to do more work tonight than every spray and candle you've bought combined. Here's what you'll notice. The first night, fewer bites. By night 2, that high-pitched whine at 2 in the morning is gone. By the end of the week, you're sitting outside again, actually enjoying it, without slapping your arm every 10 seconds. But don't set it and forget it. Refresh the mixture every 3 to 4 days because once the fermentation slows down, the CO2 stops flowing and the trap goes quiet. And move it to a new spot every week or so. Mosquitoes adapt fast, so staying 1 step ahead keeps the trap working at full strength. Think about what you're actually getting here. No chemicals near your kids, no candles that just mask the problem, no zappers buzzing uselessly at 3 a.m., just carbon dioxide doing the luring and soap doing the rest. A trap that costs next to nothing and quietly outperforms products people are paying $30, $40, $50 for. Your evenings are supposed to belong to you, not to a swarm of mosquitoes, not to bug spray you don't trust, not to another sleepless night listening for that whine near your ear. Try this tonight. 1 bucket, 4 ingredients, 5 minutes, and see for yourself how fast the difference shows up. If this was useful, share it with someone who's been fighting mosquitoes all summer. And stick around, because next I'm breaking down 10 plants you can grow that naturally keep mosquitoes away for good. No bucket required.